delays in construction. Sometimes reconstruction is also one of the things. Today you are going to construct your house. You are making one wall. Tomorrow say, no, I don't like this wall. Remove it. So if we plan in advance, probably we would not construct that unessential or non-essential wall. Logistics, of course. Our main scope for this case is logistics. If we plan I am very sure you are going to move almost 10,000 trucks. To and back and forth, not less than 10,000 trucks. So can you imagine what is the amount of trucks you are going to use? So that means if you plan your number of trucks well before you start the construction, well planning, traffic management planning, so you can reduce much more, complexities. Conflicts, you don't have conflicts here, but in the brownfield, when you are going in the plan, when you have operations, you have maintenance, you have your project, and some other projects are going on. So because of somebody else's plan, your plan will be affected. But now you have got open empire, you can do anything, whatever you want to do. But if you come to the brownfield, there are a lot of conflicts. Uncertainties, like sometimes I remember at Das Island, we had an issue of manpower. Because during that time, there was some concern for visa. Because of delayed visa, we had to delay our construction for 1 week. So just imagine, these are uncertainties. I do not know, you do not know. But you have to plan in such a way that if something comes in, we can resolve it. Minimize the impact to adjacent site.